One of the things that differentiates the Sharpie tungsten grinder is it has an adjustable grind angle from 5 to 45 degrees. Here's the adjustment screw here. You just loosen the set screw and dial in the angle. You can put it on the top so you can come in and do a tip flat on the tungsten. And there's a slot on the side where you can angle the tungsten and contact the side of the wheel and either score and break the tungsten off or cut it all the way through. So it's as simple as this. Turn it on. Put the pressure. And through the top and knock the sharp point off the tungsten. So what they call a tip flat or a land on it. In other words, just knock this. You want to cut the tungsten with the length, just lay it in, score it, pops it right off, and then you can regrind your paper. And there you have perfectly ground tungsten electrodes.